Just want to make a short video, so if you're trying to bring your headlights back to life and you're unsure on if it's going to work or not, these are the Chrysler headlights I actually picked up. This one, I did a little bit of work last night on it. I sanded it with 1000, 1200, then 1500 grit, and I started polishing it, but the air compressor kind of doesn't want to build pressure, so couldn't really finish these. This one went ahead and just wet sanded it with 1000, 1200, and 1500. And I'm not looking for show quality. I'm just looking for a nice shine so I can see at nighttime. These are the SRT8 headlights because they have the ballast underneath of them. I bought these used. It was around $300 per each. And we're going to see if we can bring them back to life, which I know we can, just how long it's going to take and what it all will involve. I'm outside the garage right here, set up so I don't get all of the polishing dust everywhere in the garage. And we're getting ready to put some polish on these and see if we can bring them back to life. Had to wait for the air compressor to kick off. Just finished the second time polishing these, and we're going to wipe them off and see how they look. Oh, by the way, you don't want to let this stuff sit on here too long, or else it's a pain to get off, like I did. And it's also cold outside, so that affects the drying temperature, or sorry, the temperature affects the way it dries. I'm getting sidetracked, thinking about other stuff. And that is basically what I was looking for. So, has a good shine to it. It's not 100% perfect, but I just really wanted them to look a lot better than they were. This headlight, before I started yesterday, looked like the other headlight did, and that's the way headlights will get over time, and not taking care of them, they'll just get that discoloration, that yellowishness, sorry. But those should be good for nighttime. Let's go on to the other one. Went ahead and taped this one off so we can get it before and after on one headlight instead of before and after on two separate headlights. And remember, this one is sanded with the 1000, 1200, and 1500, so it's finished in 1500 grit. Okay, time for the reveal. So hopefully the camera's picking that up. Don't ever let anybody tell you you can't do something. That is after 2 quick polishes on this part, and the upper is still sanded. So it doesn't take that much work. I'm no expert in painting or body work or anything like that. By far the best, or anything close to a professional. And I was able to do this at my garage. So if you want to do it exactly just like this, I'll leave what I polish these with in the description, as well as the polisher I use, which is just a little Harbor Freight polisher. But we're going to go outside and finish these off. Both headlights completed. Ready to go back on the Chrysler once the hood and the bumper are painted, and the car will be back on the road. Right now I'm actually going to go and sweep the Chrysler out and put my new floor mats in, so that'll probably be a separate video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you next video.